Hi guys, my name is JT and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before anything else, shoutout muna tayo. So shoutout kay Dion Oro, Bernardine Conte, Mel Ann Aban, Abby Liaguno, Maxine Palakpak, Jonas Manalo, Andrea Abela, Christine Joy Bagasbas, Jayan Reyes, and lastly, shoutout kay Jendi Punzalan. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At sa mga nag-comment din ng congratulations dun sa post ko tungkol dun sa silver play button ko, maraming salamat po. And again, sinabi ko dun sa video ko na kulang yung thank you para pasalamatan kayo. So, again, sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa channel na to, maraming salamat po sa inyo. So, wag na natin patagalin yung intro na to. Grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Safe by Hillsong Worship. So, itong kanta na to, na-cover din ito ni Moira and I really love her version and alam nyo naman, fan na fan ako ni Moira. So, to start this ukulele tutorial, let's have our capo clipped here on the second fret of our ukulele para ma-achieve natin yung pitch. Pero yung gagamitin nating pitch for this video is yung version ni Moira. So, ayan. Nakakapo yun sa second fret. And then, you only have to learn 5 basic chords for this song. Okay? So, napaka-easy lang naman chords nito and alam kong alam nyo to kasi madalas ko na tong tinuturo sa inyo. Okay? So, first chord natin dyan is the chord of G. Ayan. So, index, middle, fourth finger. Para siyang V-shape na chord. And then, the next chord that you should learn is the chord of E minor. Ayan. So, etong dalawa lang. Index and then middle finger. And then you also have the chord of C add 9. I'm not sure if you're familiar, pero alam kong naturo ko na to dun sa before it sinks in na video. So, eto yung C add 9. Ayan. So, dalawang daliri dito sa third fret. Bale, eto na yung third fret. 1, and 2, and 3. Ayan. So, that is C add 9. And then we also have the chord of D. Ayan, this is pretty basic. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. And then for the last chord, eto yung pinaka-easy na chord sa lahat. As in, wala kang gagawin. Yan. Yan lang yung pinaka-easy. And this is the chord of A minor 7. So, wala kang gagawin dito. So, just strum it just like this. I found my fortress in you, and my soul is anchored with you. My resting place is in your name, forever safe. Now for the intro, we just have to strum the chords, and then yung chord progression is G, E minor, C add 9, D, and then balik ulit sa C add 9. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 chords para dyan sa chord progression natin sa intro. But for the third and the fourth chord, that is C add 9 and D, we just have to do the strumming pattern once. Pero yung iba, twice. Okay? So, magiging ganito siya. So, first chord natin dyan is G. So, gagawin natin yung strumming pattern na down, up, down, up, down, up, twice. Okay? So, 1, 2. And then, para sa E minor, twice. 1, 2. And then, after that one, C add 9. Ito na yung third chord. Pero, gagawin lang natin yung strumming pattern once. Okay? So, 1. Hindi mo na uulitin. And then, the same with the fourth chord. We have the D. So, 1. And then, balik ka ulit sa C add 9. And then, you have to do it twice. 1. 2. Okay? So, let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. 2. Transfer. 1, 2, C add 9, 1, transfer sa D, 1, and then C add 9, 1, 2. So, para dito sa verse 1, gagawin natin yung parang may slow na strum and then may finger plucking ng konti. Okay? Tapos, magsa-start na tayong bumalik sa strumming pagdating ng chorus. So, ayan. So, dito sa verse 1, i-demo ko muna para malaman nyo kung paano siya gawin. So, that's for the verses of the song. So, again, yung gagawin natin, position mo yung first chord, which is the chord of G. Ayan. And then, we just have to strum it downwards using our thumb. So, slowly lang. Ganon. And then, after that one, we have to pluck the first and the second string using our index finger. So, strum. Ganon. Then, after that one, ipapluck mo yung fourth string. Ito yung fourth string. So, again, this is the first string, the one that is facing the ground. And then, the fourth string is the one that is facing your face. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, again, strum. Pluck 1, 2. And then, pluck 4. And then, pluck 4 and 1 simultaneously using your index and your fourth finger. And then, your thumb. Ba't nabubulol ako? And then, after that one, ipapluck mo naman ulit yung 4. Okay? So, strum. Again. And then, you have to do it twice. Again, yung parang, principle dito, same din siya dun sa intro natin na yung third and then yung fourth chord, which is C, add 9, and then D, once mo lang siyang gagawin, and then balikan naman sa C add 9 and then twice. Okay? So, again. And then, lipat E minor. E minor 7. And then, dito na tayo sa C add 9. Gagawin mo lang siya once, and then after that one, lipat sa D, and then you just have to do it once again. And then, balik ka na naman sa C add 9 and then do it twice. Okay? And then, lipat sa D. And then, balik sa C add 9. So, that's it for the first verse. So, let's try to sing the first verse of the song. 1, 2, 3, go. Under your grace, your mercy amazes me. Under your wing, your shadow covers me. Your promise of love, where my heart is safely undone. Speak to me, Lord, your servant is listening. Over the noise, I hear you whispering. My hope has come, and my heart is safely undone. So, for the chorus, yung gagawin natin is the same lang talaga siya sa tinuro kanina sa intro. So, again, yung strumming pattern natin is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So, slowly. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Again. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So, let's try to sing the chorus. 1, 2, 3, go. I found my fortress in you, and my soul is anchored with you. My resting place is in your name, forever safe. And then after that one is the second verse of the song. So, dito, strumming pa rin yung gagawin natin. So, kanina, yung tinuro ko na parang may slow strumming and then may finger plucking ng konti. Sa verse 1 lang yun. So, after the chorus is verse 2. So, dito na part, sa strum lang natin siya. So, yung strumming natin is still the same. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Pero, medyo slow lang yung tempo. Okay? So, speak to me, Lord. Kasi worship song to, since pagkakanta din ni Moira, medyo solemn ito. So, kailangan yung tempo natin slow din siya. Okay? So, speak to me, Lord. Your servant is listening over the noise. I hear you whispering, my hope has come, and my heart is safely undone. And then after that one, babalik ka na naman sa chorus with the same chord progression and strumming pattern. Okay, so para sa mga nahihirapan pa dyan na mag-strum, so babalik tayo sa strumming na part, okay? So G, ayan, position nyo, G, and then do this. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then, ulitin na naman natin. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then, lipat sa E minor 7. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And then, ulitin na naman natin. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Then, after that one, lipat sa C, add 9. Pero, once lang natin gagawin. 1. And then, lipat sa D, once. And then sa C, add 9. Twice. Okay, start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, go. Now, for the second chorus, ito yung part na, you are never far away. Ayan. So, yung mangyayari dito, yung first part ng chorus 2, twice natin uulitin yung stanza na yon. And then, kailangan na slow and mini strums. And then, after that one, yun na yung malakas na strum. Then, after that one, babalik ka na naman sa chorus na, I found my fortress in you, but you have to strum it once. Okay, so, parang medyo magulo siya ng konti, pero you are never far away, always reaching out to save my weakness, covered by your strength, and I am found forever safe. You are never far away, always reaching out to save my weakness, covered by your strength, and I am found forever safe. Tapos malakas. You are never far away, always reaching out to save my weakness, covered by your strength, and I am found forever safe. And then strum 1 sa chorus. I found my fortress in you, and my soul is anchored with you. My resting place is in your name. I found my fortress in you, and my chorus is strum once na lang. For you are never far away, always reaching out to save my weakness, covered by your strength, and I am found forever safe. Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here, and if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.